Struggling to apply a refund credit to a customer invoice in QuickBooks Online 2026? In the next 4 minutes, I will show you the fastest, easiest, and most accurate way to do it step by step. Save time and keep your books clean. First, what is a refund credit? When a customer returns a product or you overcharge them, you create a credit memo in QuickBooks. That credit memo becomes a refund credit you can apply to any open invoice for the same customer. Never delete invoices. Use credits for clean books. Here is the fastest method step by step. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Online and click Sales, then Customers. Search and click your customer like John Smith. Step 2. Create the credit memo. Click New Transaction and select Credit Memo. Enter the date and amount, for example $150. Add a memo like Refund for invoice 1002. Click Save and Close. Now this customer has $150 credit available. Step 3. Apply the credit. Still in the customer profile, click the arrow next to New Transaction and select Receive Payment. Step 4. Select the customer and the open invoice you want to reduce. For example, invoice 1002 for $300. Check the box next to that invoice. Step 5. Scroll down to Credits. You will see your $150 credit memo listed there. Check the box next to it. QuickBooks automatically reduces the payment amount. The amount received now shows $150 instead of $300. QuickBooks did the math for you. Step 6. Click Save and Close. Refresh the customer profile. The invoice balance dropped from $300 to $150. Done in under 60 seconds. Pro tips for USA businesses. Tip 1. Always create the credit memo before applying it. Tip 2. Write clear memos with invoice numbers for easy tracking during tax time. Tip 3. Apply credits before recording any bank refund. Bookkeeping first, money second. Why use this method? It is fast, takes under 60 seconds. It is accurate, QuickBooks calculates the new balance automatically. And it keeps your reports clean for your CPA and tax season. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not try to apply credit from the invoice screen, it will not work. Always go through Receive Payment. Do not create credit for the wrong customer. Double check the name before saving. Master the skill and save 30 minutes every week. Improve cash flow because customer balances update instantly. Reduce errors at year-end. Subscribe to QuickBooks with Frederick for more QuickBooks Online 2026 tutorials made for US businesses. Next video I will show you how to set up automatic late payment reminders. Save time. Improve cash flow. Master QuickBooks Online 2026.